Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Moto Edge 70 Fusion. And Motorola recently launched this smartphone, and I had the opportunity to check it out in person before the launch during MWC in Barcelona. And when I got back home, I rushed to buy mine so I could show it to you right away. It has really good specs and its price in Brazil is very competitive. I'll put the purchase link in the description so you can buy it in Brazil with no extra fees and get it quickly at home, hassle-free. And if you want to take part in the giveaways here on the channel, just visit our website, now fully compliant, premiosdorodrigo.com.br. I'll also leave the link here in the video description. And of course, don't forget to leave your like, it's really important, it helps a lot. Also, check if you're subscribe to the channel and if the notification bell is on. And if you can share this video with your friends and family, that will help a lot too, alright? Now let's get to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of another launch, the Moto Edge 70 Fusion. Let's go to the video, let's do it! Music! Starting the unboxing, it's an all-white box with the model highlighted and the Motorola and FIFA logos as well, showing that they are official sponsors of the 2026 World Cup. At the bottom of the box, there's also a mention of the 7000 mAh battery on the side label. We have the product version and the IMEI codes. Opening the box, we immediately see the envelope, which contains an ejector pin, an acrylic case, a quick start guide, a warranty certificate, an energy efficiency label, and a USB Type-C charging and data transfer cable on both ends. And right below that, we have the smartphone. And as you already know, the version sold here in Europe doesn't come with a charger in the box, but the version you'll buy in Brazil through the link in the description will include a 68-watt turbocharger, which is the maximum power it supports. And now with the device already in hand and fully set up, we have a 6.78-inch Edge AMOLED display with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. Over 1 billion colors, HDR10 plus, a maximum brightness of 5200 nits, and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. It has a great feel, weighing 177 grams with a thickness of 7.2 millimeters, very thin and very light. Even so, with a 7000 mAh battery, it's impressive, and this Pantone black color looks really cool. Look at this detail on the camera module with the golden edge. It looks really beautiful, man. It definitely deserves a nice pat on the back panel. On the right side, power button and volume up and down. On the top, noise cancelling microphone and a mention of Dolby Atmos. Left side, nothing, it's all smooth. And on the bottom, dual nano SIM card tray for 5G microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo speaker output. The artificial intelligence that comes installed on it is Moto AI. We have Image Studio for creating images. There's also Playlist Studio for creating playlists with artificial intelligence based on your music habits. There are productivity tools with Take Note, which will transcribe the music, cool music. Also, there's Save for Later, so you can save images, photos, screenshots, and later with a simple command, you can find that memory from the moment you saved it. There's Ask or Search, as the name says, for you to research and study about any subject. And finally, there's What Happened, where once activated, it gives you a summary of all the notifications from your personal apps that you received, giving you the option to reply to something if you want. This feature is really cool too. And of course, there are also those photo editing features to erase objects or people, which also work extremely well. Now about the battery, guys, we have 7000 mAh from a silicon carbon battery, and the device is extremely thin and light, okay? It's unbelievable. The battery life, check this out. In the PC Mark test I did, it kept running with the screen on for over 25 hours. In other words, for moderate use, you'll get about 20 hours of screen time, which is unreal. You'll get 2 days of use out of the device, no headaches, no stress, without needing to charge it for 2 days. And in the processor test, the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 built on a 4nm process scored 1078 points on Antutu. It's a good score, it's not a flagship, but it'll meet your needs really well, okay? The maximum temperature it reached during the test was 28 degrees, losing 3% of battery, and now let's show some gameplay footage on it. You can see the COD mobile graphics with everything on max, okay guys? Running smoothly, no problems at all, no lag, no delay, nothing, everything's fine, no worries. Like I told you, it's not a top-of-the-line processor, but it will serve you really well for all your daily needs. No problem at all. You won't have any headaches with the processor. This guy's certifications are IP68, IP69, and military certification STD-810H. What protections does it have? It can withstand high-pressure water jets, submersion for up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, and also drops from up to 1.2 meters high. Guys, a device like this that you look at, it doesn't seem to have any protection. This is normal. But man, the device is super hyper ultra resistant, but as I always say, it's an extra layer of protection that the manufacturer gives us, so take care of your device. Take good care of it and you'll have it for much longer. As for the operating system, we have Motorola software running Android 16 on the device. Motorola promises 3 more years of Android updates. It also has NFC connection for making contactless payments. And of course, Android Auto works very well too. On-screen fingerprint unlocking and facial unlocking both working very well too. And there are 3 versions of this device. 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB, 8 GB with 256 GB, and 12 GB with 256 GB. It doesn't support memory expansion and accepts 2 5G nano SIM cards and an eSIM connection, which is that virtual card. But you can only have 2 active calls at the same time. And now let's move on to its audio and video test. Let's go, guys. Audio test here from the Moto Edge 70 Fusion Advanced 2160p. Let's turn the brightness all the way up here. That brightness is awesome, huh? Let's rotate the screen here, do the pinch gesture, and the volume is already at maximum too. Look at this, what a beautiful screen, huh? Stereo audio. Everyone can hear well. Very good. Guys, fantastic audio and video experience with this device here, okay? Its screen is really beautiful, it's very bright, and the colors are very nice. This AMOLED Edge screen also gives a special touch to the device. It's really beautiful. And the stereo audio is also very high quality, with Dolby Atmos technology. I liked it a lot. Now let's start talking about the cameras. On the front, we have a 32 megapixel camera recording at 4K 30 FPS. That's awesome, right? Let's check out some photos and videos with its front camera. And here now, guys, the front camera of the Moto Edge 70 Fusion 4K 30 FPS. Look at how amazing that is. Very good image quality. Let's walk a little bit here. It stabilizes very well too. Let's jump over the rock here. Look, we're getting into the shade here so we can try to test the HDR over there. The clouds, the sky, see? Here it already gets really bright back there, see? Okay. We can see it struggles with HDR on the front camera. But it stabilizes really well. The image quality is also very good. There you go, I liked it. I enjoyed it here, okay? At 4K 30. Very good. The Moto Edge 70 Fusion's front camera, guys, I personally really liked its front camera. Very good quality for photos and for video as well. Stabilization there at 4K on the front camera is very good, okay? I liked it a lot. I want to know your opinion. What did you think of its front camera? And now let's go to the back, which has 2 cameras. A main one with 50 megapixels and OIS. And a second one with 13 megapixels ultra-wide. And all of this also records at 4K 30 FPS. Let's take some photos and videos with the rear cameras, then return soon to conclude and wrap up our video.
So here, guys, the Moto Edge 70 Fusion's rear camera, 4K 30 FPS maximum resolution, just panning around for you here. Wide angle, it opens up. Let's go back here. See, there's a little lag, there's a switch. 1x, now from 1 to 6, which is the maximum zoom. Let's go back here to 1. Here it goes smoothly, see? From 6 now to jump to wide angle, it switches cameras and makes a jump, a little cut. Right? But anyway, let me walk a bit for you here. Look, so you can see how well it stabilizes. I'm only holding it with my right hand. Let's go down here. Just be careful not to slip, not to fall. But look, stabilization is a beast, huh? Really good. Really good. And it's focused too. Look, very fast and very good. Here you go. A little more of this beauty for you all while we're at it. Testing the Moto Edge 70 Fusion. We're all in this together, guys. Now let's switch to full HD 30. Let's see if anything gets even better. Jumping here. Walking. Let's see if it stabilizes more. Look. Very good, huh? Full HD 30, let's go. Awesome, huh? Feels like I'm using a gimbal. Very good. That's water from the river. Clear. 6x zoom. Really, really clean. They say it's not good.
But
Now 0.5 and 1x, it switches lenses here. They say it's not good to drink. I've already dived there a few times. It's just freezing. Think of some really cold water. But there you have it. Full HD 30 FPS Moto Edge 70 Fusion.
guys, I really liked it. The rear camera is doing a great job with stabilization at 4K, so I really liked it. I thought it was awesome, but I want to know your opinion. Comment down below too. And now let's go to our final summary with positive and negative points, in my opinion, for the Moto Edge 70 Fusion. Starting with the positive points, of course, battery comes first here. Turbocharging with 68 watts of power. A really beautiful curved AMOLED display with excellent picture quality. Its stereo sound is also very good, and I really like the rear cameras as well. And for the negative points, the lack of wireless charging, also the processor and the front camera, I think they could be a bit better too, okay? But anyway, that's my opinion, and I want to know what yours is. Comment down below what you thought about this smartphone. What did you think of the video? Whether you liked it or not, leave a like or a dislike, no problem at all. Hit the notification bell. Check your subscription here on the channel so you don't miss any updates, and don't forget to share this video with everyone, alright? Much love, guys. Thank you all so much. God bless you. A big hug. See you next time. Thanks. I'm out. Wait.